Hello and welcome to another episode. As reported last week, we were getting over-the-air updates for various cCNC models, and gradually we're seeing more and more of the cCNC models appearing on the update.kia.com website, in Europe anyway. So they've not updated the landing page, which still says February, but I'm expecting them to update it to say July 2026 soon. So far, we've got manual downloads for the Kia EV3, the Kia EV4 hatchback and fastback, the EV5, the EV6 facelift or product enhancement, the EV6 GT, the EV9 and the EV9 GT, and also the Sportage product enhancement is there. So I know some of my viewers have been waiting for that. I hope it's the right one. Okay, the dates for all of these updates are 260312. So even the one for the fastback that came out, which was dated from last year, has now been updated. As far as I know, Gen5w still says a January date. Right, a few tips which I'll just go through. So I'm on my PC because you can't see all of this on an iPad. You can go to update.kia.com. That will take you to the American landing page. Down the bottom right hand corner is where you changed your region. So you need to pick Europe. Accept the cookies. Notice that we've still got 2026 February infotainment updates listed, but if you select your individual model, you'll now see EV4, both types, and for example the EV5, which was also missing until now. So what you do is you select the model you want. So say you want the EV4, which is the hatchback. Search. It'll search for the updates. If you scroll down, you click on download, it installs a special program called the Navigator Update program. I've already got this installed, so if I click on that, it's just going to switch to that app, so I don't have to do the download. So I'll click on download. Okay, it's trying to open the Navigator Updater. So it's I could have just switched to it. And that takes you straight to the update that you've selected. So you can select from all of these, but it's put it at the top. Then you'll need a 128 gigabyte memory stick, despite what the instructions say. 64 is not enough. It expands, and once it's expanded, it goes over 64 gigabytes. So don't get caught out by that. Once the download has run, I told you it's finished. If you make sure you go to the system tray and right click on the drive to eject it safely. If you don't eject it safely, some files might not be written, and that's another thing that catches people out. You can also shut down Windows if you can't find that, and that should dismount the drive correctly. So you should see a dismount message when it's ready to be pulled. So don't just pull it straight out, otherwise you could have problems. So there you go, safe to remove hardware. And then what you need to do is put the car in utility mode and just insert the stick, and it should just find it and put up prompts on the screen. Then I lock the car in utility mode with it on the drive whilst it's running, and it might ask to restart. So you'd have to go back and recheck it, but you can either lock the car with the Kia app, or you can drop the driver's window, make sure the key's not in, press the lock button on the inside, and then pull the window up whilst removing your arm. That can be easier. Anyway, I hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching.